everything cut. I need to prime it and then assemble them and get the approval from the boss. It appears, no matter how many times I count, I'm still one of these short. Those are done. So I don't have anything to rip or cut. So I guess I still have to go to the store. Now, maybe if I go to the store, I'll get one better than this. That's all of them. Oh. Could this be one I lost? I don't think so. Counted them 5 times. One window. 2 windows. 3 windows. 4 windows. Still one short. God damn it. Well, I guess I'll start painting them. Jeez. Can't believe one piece short. Well, that can be put on later, I guess. Get these painted. Exterior primer. Stuff's pretty good. But now I got to figure out what to put on. I wish I had a roller, but I don't think I have a roller out here. Well, we'll see. Okay, it's the next day. I did a lot of painting. You can see I had every sawhorse I had. Stuck everywhere. Actually painted these 2 boards and I cleaned the roller. Yeah, I'll do it. I cleaned the roller and I didn't realize it was clean, and I went and repainted these bottoms, or painted the bottoms, and of course I didn't get any paint on them. But I got everything together. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling them. This is gonna, the painters are gonna paint these, and they'll paint them before they put them up. So at least that's a good prime coat. And this kills. I scrub my hands. They're sore because they were full of that paint, and my hands hurt. So I will. Beautiful day out today, by the way. No clouds. We need another rain. So anyway, I'm going to start putting them together. Okay, I got my glue unplugged, hopefully. Well, I don't know if this glue's good or not. No, I don't know if it's good or not, but we're going to nail the hell out of them. Match that, match that. One down. pretty good. Okay, if you can see, I got a little bowage there. Okay, then this one goes in the middle, which oddly enough, I'm gonna have to measure it. Not oddly enough, but anyway. So this is 47 3/8, or 44, and so it's 22 3/16 to the center, 22 3/16. So let's measure this. 11 3/4. 11 3/4. Okay. So I'm gonna put this here. Poop. Now, what I'm going to do there? I don't want to glue it. Oops. Like I said, I hope this glue is holding. Okay, that should be done for this one. Okay, now I'm going to get screws. I think I need some more screws. Well, this is stupid. What am I screwing over here for? One down. Shutter. How's she look? That's the short window. And I'm going to make another one of those, and then we'll go to the longer window. Okay, the second one. Just cut a board, uses a template. Where am I? There it is. Make sure everything fits. Just tap them so they're all the same length. Put that in there. Let's take it out and do some glue. I know I'm going to forget some glue. Want to make sure I'm shooting nails. Okay, come down to this one. Everything straight. Okay, this is in the middle. It says interior exterior glue, by the way. Make sure everything's right. Spacing is right. Ah, I forgot my knife. Okay. Whoop. Same thing. Two. I did discover on my last one that these boards have a little bit of inconsistency, and I knew that because they're just fence posts. But I need to give them as even as possibly can. These boards that I cut on the last one were too wide or too long or whatever it would be. So I'm having kind of a figure this one out. I did use, what did I use? Kills primer, and this stuff is something I had a hell of a time getting it off my hands, and I'm kind of a sloppy painter. So that looks even. Oh, didn't want to do that. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna shoot him up. I brought out my chop saw in case I had to trim some of this stuff, which apparently I'm going to have to do. Just make sure, yep. You can see this end of the boards here. I've got all hooked up. Into the boards there, yeah. How they're wobbled. You can see this. But that's what when I glue it and screw it, and I screw it from the back, hopefully we'll straighten those out, and they'll stay straightened out over the course of history. Like the last one, go there, we know where the glue's going to go. I'm putting this here so I can use it as kind of a little marker. Ugh. see I'm getting the bow. I don't know if you can see it. Oop, that was a lot. Okay, place it again. Let's measure it again. Well, they're in the garage, waiting to be painted. One window, two windows, three windows. They're done, except for mounting and